last Thursday. And it's got wheels on it. Hey, we're on the board. What's that? It's a bicycle. Yeah, that metal stuff.
Another truck?
What kind? Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, I got one right now. Yeah. Thanks. I got the 5.0 in that one. Yeah. Yeah, can't beat it. Okay, I appreciate it. He's trying to sell a truck, like a real truck. What's that?
You take this to the end of the driveway?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take that.
I'm gonna go get the rest of that shit.
Okay. Yeah.
I have this. Are you making video?
I try to just film what I pick up there. That way nobody says like, oh, you took that, you know, stuff like that. Yeah.
That's smart.
Yeah.
But you know what you should also do? Is like make a video of you doing this and then like how you convert it into money.
Yeah, there's a lot of guys that put that stuff on
TikTok,
Facebook, stuff like that.
You can make money on that too.
Yeah.
But like you're already doing it, so you might as well just push the upload button.
Put it on something, yeah.
But you can just put it on that side of the driveway, man. I hope that helps, alright?
Yeah, I definitely appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day. Something. It's a light Thursday. The old school humidifier. We just want the top part. Actually, I don't even want this part. I just want the motor. Take that little dog cage there too. Something.
This is NPR News. Food generating all National Wine Festival returns Thursday, March 6th through Saturday, March 8th with craft tastings, auctions, winery dinners, and more. Tickets are now available at winefestival.com.
And we're back. Oh, we forgot to say hi to Larry. Yeah, I don't know. As per usual, it's more than nothing and less than a bunch. What are you working at? Anyway, I did manage to get rid of a little bit. Rid of that stove and a washer, the 2 water tanks. I don't know, some stuff. But then I got another stove and another washer. Or what did I get rid of? 2 water tanks and I don't know what I got rid of. I got rid of the water tanks and something. And there's still a big pile of stuff here. And then I added a little bit to it. Anyway, that was Thursday. It was kind of lame. Oh, I did get rid of the playhouse already and the little fold 'em up dog cage. I think I captured that. That's a pretty sunset, ain't it? Anyway, let me go get my gizzard. Oh, there she goes. Anyway, that's Thursday.
A little slow tonight, isn't it?
I know, it adds up. It definitely helps. Thank you from my pals and the puppers. She's got a lot of puppers. I've actually got a Christmas card from her puppers. Well, I'm assuming she took it to the post office for him and all that. She probably even took the picture as well. I don't know. I've seen some dogs do some crazy things though. Anyway, nah, we just left the Kroger's. We're ferret food, which they actually eat that, like, chicken is the #1 ingredient type cat food. The stupid thing. I don't want to shift apart because my door's not open. See, I'll even show you. See, I closed it, but it still thinks it's open.
Your car's probably broken.
No, it's not.
It's broken.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Stop saying that.
It's broken.
I know. Anyway. But the point is, thank you. That definitely does help because I did get rid of a couple of water tanks and a fold 'em up wooden dog cage, table, box, crate sort of thing. But Kroger's was all like, well, you got to give me a bunch of that. And I was all like, damn it. So that definitely does help. Thank you. That was unexpected. But anyway, And the sad part is we just left Kroger's and they're all like, can we go to McDonald's? And I'm all like, yeah. But anyway, okay. And that's Thursday. Well, I mean, it's still Thursday. Anyway. I almost bought into this McDonald's franchise the other day, but when they told me it was in Bangladesh, I was all like, wait a minute now.
Is this a scam?
is this a scam? Is this
I have one question.
is this a
How does this scam
is this a mix scam?
I
Anyway,
have one question.
okay.
How does the scam work?
No one.
They immediately. Hi, outro. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, punch the like button in the face like a boss. And I'm still over.